ló bá tán kẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí àṣàlá sọ voice note tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ release lẹ́ni ipe òun ti pay price òun ipe anywhere tó bá fẹ́ gbóhùn lọ ẹ lè gbóhùn lọ ẹ̀rí ibi tí nàìjíríà bá àṣàlà dé ẹ wò ó ẹ má jẹ́ kí n fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ voice note yẹn yín gan wò pé so bó ṣe rí lélẹ̀ ẹ wò ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ o.
She has no peace. Yes, that's what I could see. God forgive me. She has no peace within her. She's empty. She's fearful. She's panicking. She's under threat of her conscience as a result of her actions. Wunmi and Mohbad, they are greatest enemies of each other. All this one they are doing is to make believe. Wunmi knows that she cannot trust Mohbad. Mohbad knows that she cannot trust Wunmi. Both of them, they are enemies, pure enemies. So when you see them alive, it's just because they're after the property. That's the commonest thing between them. As God live and his spirit liveth, God shall destroy that intersection between Mohbad and Wunmi finally. As God live and his spirit liveth, that allegiance, that common front between Mohbad and Wunmi, God shall scatter and shatter them finally. What we are listening to is just a bomb. The missile, RPG, are still coming between them. Go and write it down. They will soon hold each other by the guts and they want to rip it apart because God shall scatter their plans and their counsels. Mohbad, you are a great loser. You lost at every angle. Ilé ògbà, ọ̀nà ògbà. You are now alárìnkiri. You think Wunmi can trust you? Wunmi does not even trust you from the word go. And this is what you have said has shown that both of you are in alliance because of properties and nothing more. I bless those that stood against you. I bless them that are standing against you. And I continue to bless those that will continue to stand against you, Mohbad, even in the future. Because there is nothing good that can come from your Jerusalem. That's the truth of the matter. Nothing good. You are wicked, Mohbad. You are the devil herself. God will give us justice. I just want us all to prepare for the battle ahead. The battle is not for the weakling. The battle is not for the faint-hearted. The battle does not have a time frame. So for those that have hope, that in the next 3 months, this battle will be over. In the next 6 months, please, I want you to re-energize yourself. Just like Mommy Jibe always say, this is a battle between light and darkness. Let us be prepared. It's going to be a long-time battle. But one thing is certain. Victory is sacrosanct. One thing is certain. Justice is 100%. One thing is certain. Wunmi and her backbones shall all crumble at the right time. They are crumbling, but they shall fall flat at the right time. I want to say a big thank you to Madam Comfy for everything you are doing for justice. God shall replenish and God shall bless you. I want to say a big thank you to all the gladiators on this platform and all over the world. God shall continue to bless and replenish you. I want to say a big thank you to all the commenters. No evil whatsoever shall come near you. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with us all. It shall be well with all those fighting side by side with Baba Mohbad. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
So I would like you to listen to this Wunmi's voice note that she just released. I'm coming. Mumbo. Please, I'm coming.
In preparing. Prepared.
But like my mommy doesn't necessarily have to be on the media, but like
Please, you need to listen very well. You know how she talks. Because even me too, I don't understand.
action, but my mommy has really good there for me physically and emotionally. You know how best this case is, and I feel like she coming alive without changing anything. So I just want to share it with me. I understand for everybody know, like Arabiamolo type, but could they use it? And like even me, don't share it, you I understand some call. Why imagine if I pay a potential second door? I remind you share about to mess with entire everybody. Because even me, I getting to experience all of this. So I know how I was someone back and I know how I am. But I just want to share it that was fine.
Please, from what she is saying, Ejo, who understand what she has said so far?
Àǹtí Comfy mi ì gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ rárá. Oh my God.
Bíbí ìgbà tó da gúgúrú sẹ́nu onífọ́ìsì ó ń gbó.
She's not a stammerer. She is not. She doesn't want anybody to hear whenever she's talking. She does not want anybody to know what she's saying. As if oúnjẹ iṣu àbí potato tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sọ lórí iná tí wọ́n wá ń fún lẹ́gbàá yí pé ó yá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jẹ bó ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn. I can't even fathom what she's saying. She dey craze after smoking her igbo and her powder, sniffing the powder in her nose. She dey na real craze you be. Please, can you help us power tap, please?
Please let me start again.
My distance is so sharp. Everybody this morning. So I go to talk about my mommy parts and
Ṣé ti gbọ́ pápá ló lò? Ṣé ti gbọ́ pápá ló lò?
like action, but my mommy has really good there for me physically and emotionally. So you know how best this case is, and I feel like she coming alive without changing anything. So I just want to share it with me. I understand.
Please, I cannot. It's like, you see how messy this case is. My mother, she coming online will not solve anything.
Yeah.
Abi?
Yeah, Madam Coffee, you are right. What she's trying to say is that, I think somebody said some of our platform supporters they were telling her to tell her mother to also come online and lend her voice to support her. Or I think she was just reacting to that. She was reacting to that her mother could not come online because it will not make any difference. And she was trying to say her mother has been supporting her physically and emotionally. So just trying to exonerate her mother and try to affirm that her mother is in support of everything she's doing. Only that the mother will not come online because it will make no difference. I think that's what she was trying to say.
Spiritually nǹkan. Ṣé ìyá ò support ẹ spiritually?
Yeah, number one.
Ojúmọ́ kan.
Maybe we
Ojúmọ́
should start
kan.
again.
Oògùn kan.
Maybe we should start again. Okay, yes, okay. Let's start. Wunmi's voice, Wunmi's new voice. Let's start. Ẹ̀yin torí Facebook, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa dẹ́tílẹ̀ dáadáa o. Ṣé mọ̀ pé kí kò easy láti gbóhùn ọmọ yìí.
Like, Alabiamo don't die everybody. Could they use him? Like, even me.
Wait, I want to start.
My listening sufficient. Everybody this morning. So I'm going to talk about my mommy parts and like my mommy doesn't necessarily have to be on the media, like
Okay, like my mommy don't necessarily have to be on media.
but my mommy has really been there for me physically and emotionally. No,
my mommy has even really cared for me physically, emotionally.
I'll best this case is and I feel like she coming online without changing anything. So I just want to share it with me. Understand where everybody know like Alabiamo don't die everybody. Could they use him? Like even me, don't share let's go I understand some call. Why imagine an entire pay second door. My mind to share about the mess entire everybody because even me I is getting to experience all of this. I know how I was someone back and I know how I'm
Ẹ má bínú o, it's because àwọn àárín tí mi ò sọ yẹn mi ò gbọ́ ni o, mo kàn lajúlẹ̀ báyìí ni mi ò gbọ́. Ṣó ti yé mi ò understand.
Oh, I just want to say that I'm fine. I am fine and I'm good. Like I've come this far. You take anything to break me down or anything, and there's nothing I want to show you. In fact, just like Defiance, which I said, please don't shoot my fault to my child. All those things, I don't feel like anybody should be moved or anything because all those things don't define me. If the police want me to come 1 million times, I'll be there.
Now she has now switched to that voice note pé mommy Abefe and mommy kìíní kan, the voice notes that they are hearing pé that doesn't bother her, it doesn't move her. If the police want her to come 1 million times, she will go.
She put me down and you know, all of us still laugh because drunkards will do it. All these people bringing out all of this, they are hungry and they need to eat. So they have to do all of
Wait, Wunmi, she said all these bloggers, all these people bringing out these things, they are hungry. They need to eat. They are hungry. We are hungry. We need to eat. From Wunmi's voice note, we need to eat. We are hungry.
So I feel like more are still coming and I'm not moved to call me because
more are still coming. You will still hear more. Yes, you will still hear more. Those of you that are hungry, ebi ló ń pa mọ̀nàmọ́ná kú. You will hungry till you hear the next voice note. More are still coming. Benny, I'm not moved. I am not moved. Kò kàn mí. Ẹ má dẹ́rù oko ńlá barúgbó ti tèmi. I'm not moved. If you like, Wiki Jesse àbí kí ló ló ń jẹ́. Bring more voice notes. I don't care. I care less. Kò kàn mí. Nǹkan tí Wunmi sọ fún wa nìyẹn. Mo gbọ́ yẹn dáadáa clearly.
all this thing that be because me, I know what I bring my way out of. And nothing can take me back there again. No.
Hey, you are bringing voice notes. You thought I would be way down. You are bringing Iya Mohbad's voice note. You thought I will go and hang myself. No, ẹ ti ṣí èrè. You have done a big mistake. I know what I've paved my way out. I know how I paved my way out. Àbí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ìbò yẹn ni. She says so. I know how I paved my way out. Voice note Iya Mohbad àbí èèyàn àbí ajá. Iya Mohbad Abọ́sẹ̀dé àbí ajá. Who is Iya Mohbad? I have paid. I know how I paved my way out. So this voice note that you are bringing is rubbish.
Nobody, I said it, nobody, me, nobody in this world, no voice note, in fact, call for anything. I said, social media will not be the judge of all of this. Like,
Nobody. Iya Mohbad. Nobody in this world. Bukky Jesse, you are playing voice note. I repeat, nobody in this world can bring you down, bikini. I said I have paved my way out. Let them invite me. I'm ready to go. I am ready to go. So don't just say you are bringing voice notes and maybe I will not be panicky. I will not panic, Shishi. I will not panic. No voice note can bring me down.
and my mommy is being there for me. She doesn't necessarily.
My mommy is there for me. My mommy is in America. My mommy is there for me. Both physically, emotionally, my mommy is there. My mommy is there for me. You guys should fuck off. Fuck off with your useless voice note. I don't care.
Come on, I start creating all these things that all of us are saying. But she's there for me. She's been praying for me. And I'm very sure that her prayers will take a while, make a while on my feet.
Karima, my mother is there. Karima, my mother has been praying for me. And I know that her prayers are working for me. Karima, get fuck off. Àbí báwo lẹ ṣe ń sọ ní Amẹ́ríkà tẹ̀ máa ti ń sọ fuck off yín. Fuck off. My mother is there. My mother is there. So, Karimo, get out of here. Ẹ má bínú kán. Àwọn sáǹgì yìí sọ ni ẹ má bínú. Ẹ má bínú. Mọ̀mí Dẹ́tọ́lá Àdùkẹ́ wọ́n máa mọ̀rọ̀ àwọn fuck off. Kíní kan wọ́n mọ̀ báyìí ń sọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ má bínú ẹgbà ẹ máa bú kọ́ńfì sí kọ́ńfì ògbé ìbò.
Nothing can shake me.
Ṣẹgbọ́n, nothing can shake me. Get out. Nothing can shake me. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. Ẹ ń play voice note gbóyún ẹ wá dá sórí gbá. Ìyẹn náà ló ń jẹ́ BJ. I will give it all of them. Màá ní ká máa dá kiri. Màá ní ká máa dá sórí gbá yẹn. She now gave every one of them wọ́n pín sórí gbá. Yẹ́yẹ́yẹ́ wọ́n pín sórí gbá. It will not shake me. It will never shake me.
Every other person talking to me, I know. I'm human. It is normal for me to react to things from before. I know how to always get myself back in check. And my phone is one person that keeps me going. If I die today, who will take care of me? I'm nobody. If Papa dies, waiting a little one. So why would be miserable? I don't want to tell you that not so many strength. Nobody can bring me down. For me to have been here standing, nobody.
Ṣé ti gbọ́, at least if I did not hear anything she has said, she said, nobody can bring me down. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ ni? Nobody, I repeat, nobody can bring me down. What is voice notes and so Atikituni? He now said, àti BJ yẹn náà, àti BJ yẹn. Ó wá ń fè mí sí suspense that more are still coming. This one is just small something. More are still coming. The body of Eta Gongon is still coming. I'm not shaking. I remain unshakable. Hey, ọmọ yìí, ó ti gbójúlé nǹkan.
People say, what she joking. They should bring out your voice note. Mama sọ̀rọ̀. Èmi náà sọ everybody ló sọ̀rọ̀ ara wọn. Èmi náà sọ̀rọ̀ màmá.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
All those things are normal.
Bring out everything.
Bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ mi.
Bring out everything. Bring out every audio. Bring out every voice note. Yes, ó ti dá sí rough. Ọmọ ti dá sí rough. After all, èmi sọ̀rọ̀. Èmi náà máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ màmá. Màmá náà sọ̀rọ̀ mi. Bàbá náà sọ̀rọ̀ mi. And so, àti kí tún ni o. After all, I do gossip Abosede too. Yes, I do gossip Abosede. I do gossip Baba Mohbad. Baba Mohbad also gossip me. He gossip me also. He gossip Abosede. We are gossiping ourselves. We are all gossipers. So, bring it on. I go show you say, your voice notes no dey move me. Your voice notes no dey move me. Bọ́sí bí kò fà sẹ́yìn jẹ́ wèrè ọmọ òṣì.
You hear studying, nobody. In fact, don't people here what she joking. They should bring out your voice note. Mama sọ̀rọ̀. Èmi náà sọ everybody ló sọ̀rọ̀ ara wọn. Èmi náà sọ̀rọ̀ màmá.
She said, you saw this video, all this audio, all this VN, one now they play, they dance around, they dance, even Comfy self. She said she be content creator. She done they create content because of voice notes. Yes, now we all of us for that family they gossip ourselves. What do you want to do? What all of now want to do now? Can they dance around? Can they happy? Can they happy? Can they form this thing on top of your panel? Can they use me? They do content now. Hungry they catch you now. All of now. Now hunger they catch you now. So we are all gossipers in our family. Bring it on. You cannot bring me down. Nobody, none of you. Wunmi, what? Ṣé o ti rí ìgbójú tó rò pé o fẹ́ lò yìí? Wunmi, now e get some gossip so be say you go gossip na e go carry you enter that kirikiri. Yes, you can't dey form Van Dam. Shey you see now, guys, look at look at the way she was talking when she was talking about her mother. That my mother, she's with me. She cannot be coming online because of the shenanigans online, because of the discourse they are doing. My mother doesn't like that. She's too tush. My mother is too tush, to be coming to this discourse to the people that are hungry. She cannot just, she can't mingle with people that are hungry online. She's still tush for that. And now, do you know the tone she used in talking about her mother? Come and see the tone she's now using now. When she was talking, we cannot even hear her. We cannot understand her. Now, when she wanted to talk about vote now, she clear her throat. Wunmi clear her throat. Wunmi, tiẹ̀ máa ta lórí bí. Thank you so much. Àwa hungry. Yes, now our hunger be that. Nothing concern you. Let us hungry in peace. Wunmi, let us hungry in peace. Ayé ẹ̀ máa ta. Àníṣe, ò ní rí ibùjókòó ayọ̀ mọ́ ní Nàìjíríà yìí, orí ẹ̀ bàjẹ́.
Most of them, Mama, Baba sọ̀rọ̀ mi, you sọ̀rọ̀ Mama, everybody. In fact, my sister, I don't know everybody to sọ̀rọ̀ anybody. All those things are not true. Everybody with your family around one. All of these people saying bullshit online. Family when they are going through worse things. I want to get to my parents on top of content. 1 year till 2, 3, 4 years, 65 years, I want to stop. So, not about normal things. So, I really don't give a fuck about any voice post planning or anything.
I really don't brain fuck. Eyo, Wunmi yìí, ó mà dáa, e good make person dey street o. I really don't brain fuck. Hey, now wow. I really don't fuck. Wunmi? Okay.
Mama said what she said. And if you feel like you want to go on with talking, it is not now. I was telling Mama that Mama so nobody owed you now. So that here, she can keep talking. Over the I don't see super but I said stop. So don't be Mama no look at continue. If Mama no like so be 1 year. About the play voice note. What about the job? Be 1 year. Oh my God, stop. And looking at the to continue, normal thing. I'll blog on my Jewo. So please, my name is my mommy. Like
Our bloggers go chop. Let them continue. Shebi when Baba started the zone, he was talking all throughout. And this time is from Mohbad. Let him continue. Let her continue to talk. At least if she should talk for let's say 1 or 2 years, she go tire now. Shebi Baba don't tire. Shebi Baba has been talking since. Shebi Baba is now tired. The bloggers are hungry. Let them talk. Let them talk. Let them create content. Hey. Wow.
I want to appreciate everybody. I understand that even women, that in everybody. It's not easy. I want to enjoy. All of these things, me, I don't listen to them. But you must listen to me when you can't talk. But you must listen.
Let them talk. My mommy's my daddy's. She's talking, she's referring to Temi. My mommy's my daddy's. Let them talk. Let those people talk. You said they are talking. Me, I'm not listening. I'm not on social media. I don't listen to them. I'm not on social media. Hey. Now you are just, don't worry yourself. Don't watch them. Me, I'm not on social media. I don't listen to them. They are hungry. Let them continue. When they continue for like 2-3 years, they'll be tired. Everybody go enter house. Leave them alone. They are hungry.
So I understand. I want Sasha said to be a money more understand, but I just want to assure them my mommy is there for me. Our prayers. Don't go to my own temple. My mommy usually calls me every day. Pray for me. Fast and do whatsoever. Pray can be a motion. See everybody online. She understand. Thank you very much. Thank you, Goma.
Thank you, mommy. All right, máa pè ẹ́ padà ṣùgbọ́n.
Gbogbo yín ti ya wèrè. Gbogbo yín ti ya wèrè. You see? Do you know why she said, my mommy always pray for me, my mommy always call me, she prays for me like Abiyamọ. She prays for me because Iya Mohbad talk say, this guy no sabi pray. This guy no know where church dey. Regardless of, despite say church plenty for Nigeria. Mama Mohbad say, Wunmi no know where church dey. Even mosque, she no know where mosque dey. Despite say she dey call herself Sekinat. She say Wunmi no know where all those things dey. She no even know wetin be fast. Muslim dey fast, so you no go see Sekinat there. Christian dey fast for where she's nowhere to be found. Instead, na Babalawo house, na shrine, this girl dey go. Iya Mohbad talk am say, na so shrine, na there she dey go. Say she no sabi now, she come out. Come do damage control. My mommy always pray for me. Like Abiyamọ we always do. She will always pray for me. Each time she come in, she will pray for me and I will answer her. Orí ẹ̀ bàjẹ́. Olóṣì ọmọ. You are going down, Wunmi. You are going down. You are going down. Panti police, you don't buy them finish. You say, let the police call her. Invite her 1 million times. You will answer their call. Orí ẹ̀ ti yí. Orí ẹ̀ ó ti yí.
Ẹ má bínú ma ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé mo lè sọ kankan pa ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn mà. Ṣé rí ẹ má jẹ́ ká fọ́ fún tó ń sọ yẹn. Ṣé rí Tọ́lání òun ló ń kọ́ ní gbogbo tó ń sọ yẹn. Wunmi gan ó ti fẹ́ kú. Wọ́n ó ti fẹ́ kú. Tọ́lání ló ń kọ́ ní gbogbo tó ń sọ yẹn. Ẹni tó lòun ò kì í lọ sí social media Tọ́lání yìí mo ti bá pàdé lọ́dọ̀ ẹnìkan tó ń sọ fún wọn wípé kán sọ fún ìjọba kán cancel kí wọ́n máa sọ̀rọ̀ Mo ní justice for Mo lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì. Ẹni tó lòun ò kì í pé torí wọn àjẹkọ́mọ yẹn wọn àti ẹ̀jẹ̀ kó rẹ́sìtì wọn ẹ má fọ́ irọ́ ló ń pa irọ́ pátápátá tán bá bí ìyá tó bí ìyá tó bí ìyá tó bí ìyá láyé ẹ̀dá kó gbọ́mọ ẹ̀ lọ sí skul kárí kó lè rìn ó lè yan pẹ̀lú gbogbo tó ń sọ yẹn kó tó di ọdún 2-3 tó ń sọ pé wọ́n máa stop yẹn ó máa ti náwó ọwọ́ ẹ̀ tán wọ́n á ti gbọ́ àwọn tán gbẹ̀jù ló ti gbowó ọwọ́ ẹ̀ tán yóò ti wà ní kirikiri yóò ti máa lọ roko ń bẹ̀ orí ẹ̀ ti burú.
Ta ló fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀?
Ẹ kúrẹ̀lẹ́ o. Ẹ kúrẹ̀lẹ́ gbogbo ilé.
Ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ yín.
Ẹ kúrẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹ kúrẹ̀lẹ́ gbogbo ilé o. Mo ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ lọ́rọ̀ voice note Wunmi sìn tó sọ pé kò ṣèkì òun kò ṣe gbá kò ṣàwo. Suffering and smiling ní gbogbo wọn yẹn jẹjẹ títí ní ó ń dùn àwọn demand náà ló ní kó máa ṣe pé kì í dùn gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ní èyí this one dey talk baba dey talk word this one dey talk word eléyìí ó dùn dáadáa ó dùn ó dẹ̀ máa dùn pa ni kò tí ì rí kankan ó ní 2-3 years kó tó dìgbà yẹn ṣé ayé ò tí ta ni ṣó mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ Ògún ò tí fẹ́ jẹ ẹ̀wẹ̀ ni Ògún máa fẹ́ jẹ Wùmí wẹ̀ ó di dandan Libya ni mo wà mo máa lọ ń gbàdúrà fún máa lọ ń ṣépè fún ní desert lójoojúmọ́ Ògún ló máa fẹ́ jẹ ẹ̀wẹ̀ kó máa jó kó máa wọ̀ lára ibi tó fojú sí yan náà ní gbàbẹ̀ mọ́ omi máa tán lẹ́yìn ẹja ẹ̀ ni kò tí mọ̀ kankan kan tí mo ní kí n sọ náà nìyẹn ẹ kú iṣẹ́ mà àti kọ́ńfì.
Bàbá tó ní tirẹ̀
ṣe gan ni thank you so much.
Yes ma.
Ó fẹ́ kí bàbá tún sọ̀rọ̀ ni n táwọn tèmi tá ń kọ òun ló wá ṣe yẹn torí mi olófòfó lèmi èmi ń kiri justice for Mohbad ó ti jẹ́ kí ní íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì wákàwákà.
ok ṣé mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ má bínú ẹ wo àǹtí kọ́ńfì ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ sọ fún yín pé they play my fans Wùmí wèrè ó dùn wèrè ó ká wèrè lára yìí pé ayé òun ló bàjẹ́ bá ń gbòòrò ayé Wùmí dey play o wèrè bá ní kó dán kí ni òun ti pave òun out 4 years lẹ́nìí má wọrí.
ẹjọ má bí ẹjọ wa tá a bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹjọ ẹ jẹ́ ká give way fún àwọn das àwọn èèyàn pọ̀ nsàlẹ̀ please.
ok máa já mi bọ́.
so wèrè ọmọ má wọrí nígbà Tinubu tó jẹ́ president nígbà tó bá authorize wọn kọ́ lọ pa ìwọ àtàwọn tó lọ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí platform wọn tó bá pa gbogbo yín dànù tó bẹ́rí yín fógun ó dùn wèrè ó ká wèrè lára ó ní I paid my ways àwa náà mọ̀ nípò ti sanwó fúnjọba good ayédọ̀yìn àwa náà mọ̀ yìí pé Tinubu àti àtolórí ibú gọ́vnà yín Lagos State Sanwó-Olú àtàwọn ọlọ́pàá wèrè yín àmọ́ ìpẹ́ ti sanwó fún wọn why tó ṣe ní bọ́ síta.
Okay, some people said I should play it again. They said I should play it again, no? Comfy continue to cry. Kú. Comfy continue to cry. Okay now, I don't hear you. Comfy continue to cry. All right. Okay, should I play it once more? Should I play it once more? I will not analyze it. I'll just be playing it like that. I should replay it.
Okay.
Okay, please everybody mute. Let me replay. KSA, please mute.
Mo ń bọ̀ o. Mo ń bọ̀ o, Comfy. Ibi tí mo wà jìnnà díẹ̀, mo ń bọ̀ o. Hello, Comfy. Hello.
Morning, everybody. My distance is everybody this morning. So I go to talk about my mommy parts and like my mommy doesn't necessarily have to be on the media, but like I'm not sure, but my mommy has really been there for me physically and emotionally. So you know how best this case is, and I feel like she coming online without changing anything. So I just
She was talking with emotions. She was talking with emotions. My mother, she coming online is kinikon. It will not change anything. Kinikon. She's talking with emotions. But I won't say anything again.
understand where everybody know. Like Alapiamolo type, but they listen. I like even me. Don't share let's go. I understand some call. But why imagine an entire play potential let's second goal. My mind will show my to mess entire everybody. Because even me, I getting experience all of this. I know how I was someone back and I know how I'm. But I just want to say that I'm fine. I am fine now. Like I've come this far. You take anything to break me down or anything, and there's nothing I want to shock me to. In fact, just like Defiance, which I said, very social man for my child, all those things are normal things. I don't feel like anybody should be moved to anything because all those things don't define me. If the police want me to come 1 million times, I'll be there. Some of the social media and share media and you know, one of those things will happen because bloggers want to eat. All these people bringing out all of this, they are hungry and they need to eat. So they have to do all of those things. So I feel like the more I still coming and I'm not moved to come in because I've gone through worse than all of this situation. All these things would that be because me, I know what I bring my way out of. And nothing can take me back there again. Nothing in this world. Nobody. I said this. Nobody, me, nobody in this world. Nobody knows. If I call for anything, I can't. Social media will not be the judge of all of this. Like, just
Paved my way out. Don't worry, they will still edit it. They will remove it. Shoti Yeyin, they will still remove it. They will edit it. They will edit that. Pave my way out. After people start analyzing that, I know how I paved my way out. After thorough analysis, they will edit it.
what I want you to know. And my mommy is being there for me. She doesn't necessarily have to come and like start creating all these things that all of us are saying. But she's there for me. She's been praying for me. And I'm very sure that her prayers will take a while, make a while on my feet. But I just want to assure everybody that nothing can shake me. Start the first talking to me, she's supposed to know. Every other person are talking to me and they know. I understand I'm human. It is normal for me to have to do something for. I know how to always self back check. And my son is one person that keeps me going. If I die today, who will take care of me? I'm not. If Papa dies, waiting a little one. So talk about sharing anything. Why would be miserable? I don't want to tell you that not for me strength. Nobody can bring me down. For me to have been here standing, nobody. In fact, don't tell people and share what she joking. They should bring out your voice notes. Mama sorrow. If you not everybody just sorrow around. If you not sorrow, Mama. All those things are normal. Most of them, Mama, Baba sorrow me. If you sorrow, Mama, everybody. In fact, my sister, I need everybody to sorrow anybody. So all those things are normal. Everybody with your family around. All of these people saying bullshit online. Family, when they are going through worse things. I want to get to ask my friend to content. 1 year till I come to 24 years, 65 years, I want to stop. So, I really don't give a fuck about any voice post planning or anything. Mama said what she said. And if you feel like she wants to go on with talking. It is normal. I was telling my mother, nobody owed you now. So that here, she can keep talking. I thought she's super, but I said stop. So the mama no look at continue. The mama no so be 1 year. So the play voice post. What time? That you just be 1 year. Oh my God, stop. And looking at it to continue. Normal thing. I'll blog on my journey. So please, my mommy. Like I want to appreciate everybody. I understand that even women, that everybody. It's not easy. I want enjoy. So this is me, I don't listen to them. But you have to listen to me can't talk. But you have to listen to them, I can react. So I understand. I want, like I said, to be a money more understand, but I just want to assure you, my mommy is there for me. Our prayers don't go into my own temple. My mommy usually calls me every pray for me, fast and do whatsoever. Where can be emotion. See everybody online. She understand. Thank you very much. Thank you, Goma.
Thank you, Mommy. All right, máa pè ẹ́ padà ṣùgbọ́n. Please, analysis on this. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ analysis.
Jọ̀ọ́ mi ì tí ì ṣe tán. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú. Well, ó ti sọ, ó ní pé ó ti pave o. Òun sọ fún wa pé ó ti pay your way out. Ó ti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé nobody, you repeat, ó tiẹ̀ tún fọwọ́ gbáyà. You said nobody and you beating your chest. Just like our own BJ, the Iron Lady of Justice for Mohbad, we always tap our chest. You now said nobody in this world will ever get you. Ṣóǹgbọ́, amúgbó, ọmọ nìyá ẹ̀ Jùmọ̀kẹ́ béèrè, igbó lèṣù fún. Because Jùmọ̀kẹ́ ò béèrè ọmọ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ọwọ́ èṣù, nítorí pé your mother èṣù Jùmọ̀kẹ́, ó lọ bá èṣù láti tọrú ẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Èṣù ò wá fún lọ́mọ, ó gbé ọmọ langidi lé lọ́wọ́, ó gbé igbó gidi àti gbaná powder, ó gbé léyà ẹ lọ́wọ́, àti any kiss plus 33 gbogbo ẹ̀ ló gbé léyà ẹ lọ́wọ́. Ó dẹ̀ tún gbé apààyàn, ó gbé léyà ẹ lọ́wọ́. Ìdààmú Nàìjíríà, ó gbé léyà ẹ lọ́wọ́. Ìwọ wá sọ pé nobody, you repeat, in this world kò sí nǹkan kan tó máa fi ẹ ṣe. Ṣó ń fẹ́ gbọ́? Ẹ̀wọ̀n na prison, olòṣì olórí burúkú ọmọ. Ẹ rí bóun ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbọ̀n, ẹ rí bó ṣe ń ṣe. Ẹ ti mọ̀ yí pé yes, ayé òun ti bàjẹ́ sí gbòòrò. Wá jẹ́ káwa sọ fún ẹ o. Ṣé wọ́n sọ wípé 4 years? Má wọ̀ọ́rì, àwa tún dàṣì ẹ ní another 4 years. Ó jẹ́ 8 years tí president yín tó máa fi kúrò lórí oyè. Àwa dàṣì yín ní 8 years. Ìwọ máa enjoy. Ọlọ́run ò tí kúrò lórí oyè. Ṣé o mọ̀ yí pé Ọlọ́run nìkan that has the permanent throne? Tinubu is just for the meantime. He will get off from that throne of being a presidency. Then, and before then, Ọlọ́run á ti mú ìwọ àti ìyá ẹ Jùmọ̀kẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé ká ẹ pa ọmọ lọ́mọ lẹ́kúnjayé, òun lẹ mọ̀, á ti mú yín kúrò nílẹ̀. Á ti fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ yín báyìí, á ti fi bọ Ògún nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Àti Abọ́sẹ̀dé 27-29, very greedy, selfish lady. In fact, she's not a lady, a girl for that matter. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ gbogbo yín a máa fi ṣe ètùtù sílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà yẹn ni. Ìwọ olóṣì olórí burúkú ọmọ, ó dùn wèrè, ó ká lára. Boyfriend díẹ̀, ọmọ rẹ̀ bíi custard, ọmọ kan ṣoṣo tó ń da gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè rú. Mohbad fúnra rẹ̀, ó ní ó ń dùn wọ́n, ó ń ká wọn lára. Ẹ rí i pé òun ni Mohbad kọrin yẹn fún. Wèrè bá sáré bọ́ta kúrò nínú iṣẹ́ ilé ẹ̀. Ó bá jẹ ẹ̀yin mọ́mì mi, ẹ̀yin dádì mi, igbó la bí ọmọ kọlọkọlọ bíi ti frog ó wá bọ́ síta ìyá òun máa ń gbàdúrà fún un ìyá òun ò ní láti wá síta ìyá ẹ̀ ò lè wá síta nítorí pé ìyá ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé òun lòun pa Mohbad ó wá fi ẹlẹ̀ wèrè tó bá síwín wo it shall not be well with you and your generation ìwọ máa ń sẹ́ pé tí ìwọ bá kú ta ló fẹ́ tọ́jú Papa Lolo kò ní dá fún Papa Lolo gan máa ṣọ́kú ni nítorí pé ìjú ìbí kò ju ìbí bá a ti bí ẹrú la bí ọmọ bó o ṣe bí Papa Lolo ni bàbá Mohbad bí Mohbad nítorí pé èmi ò gbà yí pé Abọ́sẹ̀dé ló bí Mohbad bàbá Mohbad ló bí Mohbad so bó lórí burúkú ẹ wọ́n Cynthia Adébánjọ igbó nìyá ẹ̀ bí lọ́mọ gbaná nìyá ẹ̀ bí lọ́mọ olè nìyá ẹ̀ bí lọ́mọ bó o ṣe bí Papa Lolo èrìgì yẹ arúgbó ti kékeré yẹ ọmọ tó o bí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàbá yẹn náà bí ọmọ tiẹ̀ kò ní kúlù fún ẹ tìrantìran wo lò ṣe olórí burúkú ọmọ ó wá níta ló máa tọ́jú ẹ̀ tí wọn ò bá tọ́mọ náà bá kú tọ́mọ náà bá kú kí ló ń ṣe láyé àti bàbá ẹ̀ kí gbogbo yín jọ ṣánkú dànù kí Papa Lolo má bu yẹ̀pẹ̀ sí ẹ lójú kó jẹ́wọ́ ló máa bu yẹ̀pẹ̀ sí Papa Lolo lójú àti bàbá Papa Lolo kí gbogbo wọn kẹ́ẹ̀jọ bu yẹ̀pẹ̀ lé lórí kò ní dá fún yín Papa Lolo aka àjùmọ̀bí òkan tàánú ọlọ́run ò ní rún ẹ sí ìyá ẹ irú rírán tọ́lọ́run bá rún ẹ sí ìyá ẹ báyìí kó o lọ pàdánù ni kó o lọ pàyà ẹ dànù kó má jèrè ẹ tọmọtọmọ kó má jèrè ẹ ìran Papa Lolo tún ní gbérímọ́ nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ ní ṣe oríire ẹ̀yin wèrè játijàti aṣọ lè dùnwó lè kàwọ́ lára aṣọ lè sáré bọ́ta kìrìkìtì kìràkìtà kúrò nínú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ẹ aṣọ lè sá bọ́ta listen and listen good. You are still coming out from your shell, and your coming out from your shell is death. Ikú wọ́n kọ́kọ́ dédé bá òkú ẹ ní títì wọ́n wá máa ṣẹ́ta olórí burúkú ọmọ tó ń da gbogbo ìlú láàmú yẹn kọ́ ni àwọn èèyàn á wá máa sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òun ni wèrè látọjọ́ tó ti pa boyfriend yẹ sex mate yẹ bed mate yẹ ó wá sí kóòtù ọjọ́ tó máa jàjà wá ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ bọ́ ṣe máa bí wọ́n ṣe máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa lọ sin òkú ẹ̀ àtolòṣì Abọ́sẹ̀dé àwọn ìjọba àwọn yẹn náà dẹ̀ yá dá yín padà pé iṣẹ́ ìjọwọ́ wèrè mo rò bá ayé ń ṣe ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ẹjọ́ padà lọ lé kẹ́ ẹ lọ tún èrò yín rò kẹ́ lọ tún ọ̀rọ̀ yín sọ una dey mad una dey craze ṣé this one look like una papa house go back to your fucking freaking house and sort it out ó padà lọ corona mi wà lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn o ṣàárò lórí burúkú ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti rún ẹ àti Papa Lolo tí ò ní dáa fún ṣáàjọrí yín nígboro ṣe wá after 1 year ó wá padà wá ìwọ lo lace wig ó lò sí ó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ di celebrity Nàìjíríà nìkan lẹ ti máa rí gbogbo nǹkan aburú èèyàn pààyàn ó tún sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ di celebrity ó ń ya fọ́tò fáwọn èèyàn